Yes, they're galloping at you almost.
Beetle.
They're galloping at you.
I'll get them in a second. Oh, where's it gone?
Okay.
Beetle v's ant. And the ant is hell of a strong. Oh, he's given up. Oh well. Anyway, in other wildlife news, there are some horses having a lovely time on the beach. And we saw a barracuda earlier as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
Jumping out of the water, chasing a fish. And it must have been swimming at about 30 miles an hour. It was so fast. Okay, the ants have come back in force with his mates. So there's now 2 of them on him. Third one coming in. He must have wandered too close to the nest. I don't actually know what they're doing to him. Poor beetle. Ants like biting him in the face. They're going to tire it out, aren't they? Oh, more have arrived. Nuts. To be continued.